Hello, my name is Lars-Inge Bja. I'm a Swedish cellist. I'm working here in Sweden at Karlstad University, and the name of the music department is Musikhögskolan Ingesund. I taught a lot also in other different places of the world, like in Europe, Middle America, and lately in Asia, when I was in Taiwan just before the pandemic. I would like to mention a few persons that really meant a lot to me for my development. And the first one I met when I was 15 years old, the Danish cellist Erling Bløndal Bengtsson. After that, I went to Ralph Kirschbaum in England, and then to his teacher, Mr. Aldo Parisot in New Haven, Connecticut. But not only cellist gave me a good influence. For instance, the conductor, Maris Janssons in Oslo Philharmonic, meant a lot to me for my music making. He was a great conductor and to make structure and energy and character in the music. I also play chamber music. My wife is a pianist, and we toured with the Russian violinist Grigory Gislin. And he brought some really good exercises from his teacher, Yankelevich, in Moscow. I transposed these for the cello. I noticed during the years that many great and talented students, somehow their energy stays in the body instead of going to the instrument to create the vibrations and the great character in the music making. So therefore I developed quite a lot of exercises that I would love to share with you. So let's see you at my workshop and bring your instruments if you have the possibility, so we can make music together and share exercises for the instrument. Thank you.